my notebook, just a regular one where I jot down notes, and there's a sketch of a kitten I drew with a pen. Wanting to enhance it, I decide to add a background. The first shots show the kitten, and then the main tools I'll be using, a black tape dispenser and a pair of scissors. Next, I take the tape from the dispenser and cut pieces with the scissors, carefully applying them around the perimeter of the kitten's illustration, creating a kind of frame. Inside this frame, I continue to cover the kitten and a small ball of yarn by cutting triangular and circular pieces of tape to fit over them perfectly. No special tools or liquids are needed, just simple tape and a bit of creativity. It's easy to use and there's no need for extreme precision, just cut and place. With the kitten and the surrounding area completely covered, I grab my markers, gel pens, and highlighters and start creating. I draw wide horizontal stripes with the markers, straight lines, zigzags, spirals, and various patterns in different colors. At one point, I place a small strip of tape at the top, leaving a semi-transparent area where I want to write something later. This strip covers some existing lines and leaves room for more. Once the drawing is done, I carefully peel off the tape. The reveal is the best part, especially when removing the tape from the kitten and the frame. It looks super clean and creative. Finally, I take a red acrylic marker and write meow in English in the small strip area. The finished piece sparkles, showing off a unique and beautifully enhanced sketch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ideas.